I'm Sheila Shepherd with Royal LePage, locations north in Collingwood. Welcome. I'd like to show you this first time offered beautiful 2-acre property with 3,700 square foot home, triple car garage, and much more. You enter in along this inviting laneway. To the right is a beautiful pond with perennial gardens, manicured lawns, and nature surrounds you.
Hello, I'm Jeff Becker from Redwood Homes. Redwood Homes built this house in 2003, and we used all the modern technologies available at that time for this build. The house is still a very advanced house compared to many houses that are built, and it goes from the insulated concrete forms that are used for the foundation as well as the above grade walls. That gives us super insulation, airtight, and very quiet interior. The other features would include the in-floor radiant heat supplied by hot water. The house has many other features and has been meticulously looked after by the current homeowners who are the homeowners that we built it for. It's a custom design that you won't see around anywhere else, and it has an incredible layout and floor plan that's perfect for comfortable living on this gorgeous lot.
As you drive up and you see this beautiful home with stone accent, curved roof line, multiple covered porches, expansive windows throughout the home, you can bring in the nature, the varieties of trees. It's a 2-acre lot. The rear, approximately 1 acre, is naturally tree covered. But at the front, manicured trees, a variety of several trees, beautiful flagstone patios, perennials, screened-in sun porch, and you arrive at this beautiful entryway with a covered entry and breezeway over connecting to the office and garages. Come on inside. Let me show you the inside of this beautiful home. Here we are inside. This foyer is large and bright. The drywall in this home has all curved corners, rounded off. We have a mix of hardwood throughout, a large cook's dream of a kitchen with ample counter space for entertaining and having a good time. And open into the living room, great room. The windows in this home are stunning, and the window wells themselves have about a foot deep. It lends itself to a gracious feel. There's a 2-story vaulted ceiling, walls of windows. It brings in the nature into the comfort of your home. You're just surrounded by perennial gardens and trees and nature. Very comfortable seating area, very spacious. You can rearrange things, add more seating with company. Another covered porch off of the dining room. You can easily set a table for 12. And off the dining room is this gem of a sun porch. Screened in, you can hear the birds. Welcome, have a cocktail, relax. It's great on a rainy day. You can still come outside and enjoy. It's a lovely covered deck off of the dining room. You'll find many covered decks in this home. It's custom built for the owners, and it's built for comfort, space, relaxation, entertaining, day-to-day living. We have a master on the main floor. Generous sized room, another walkout that's covered, deck, You could have a morning coffee or even a romantic dinner outside of the master bedroom. And through the master is a walk-through closet with built-in cabinetry and into the ensuite. Glassed-in shower, separate tub, and vanities. There's also another walkout to the rear yard from the washroom. Plenty of light, beautiful trees. I'm gonna have a bath and look out at nature. So we'll go upstairs. Here we are upstairs with the 2 additional bedrooms, one on either side of the spacious landing with the dormer-style roofs. Makes a very cozy, comfortable place for family and guests to visit and stay. And we have a 3-piece with shower as well up here. This is a 1.5-story home. Here we are on the half, and the view is stunning from the landing down to the great room area and dining room. You can take in the property from here. It's beautiful. So here we are in the lower level, fully finished basement area with high ceilings, comfortable living. So the main floor and the lower level basement are in-floor radiant heat. So it's nice and cozy down here during all seasons. Large family room, media room, games area for additional space to hang out in. And then there's a complete gym in the rear half with egress windows, can be converted into another large bedroom. There's plenty of storage throughout this house. Here in the lower level, there's insulated crawl spaces and additional utility room housing all the mechanicals of the house. There's also a wine cellar down here for your little enjoyment pleasure. So here we are with the covered breezeway into the office area, which is separately heated with its own in-floor radiant heat. 3-car garage, which is built with a workshop above the whole garage. It's electrical, wired for woodworking. It could easily be an in-law suite or a homeschool area for the kids, art studio. There's many possibilities. The point is it's all finished and complete, ready to go. Come and have a look at the rear of the garages and office. Here we are in another backyard oasis, another patio. There's natural treed area. You could easily enjoy putting some pathways through and taking a nature's walk. Great for young children or even in the winter out there tromping around with some snowshoes. There's an acre of unmanicured trees in the rear of this home. Additional deck, which is off of the master ensuite with more garden area, lots of space to spread out and relax. I'm out at the front with the pond, the perennials, this rare offering, first time ever to the market, this gorgeous home and property. We're 4 minutes into the town of Collingwood, shops and banking, another 5 minutes to any of the ski hills, about an hour and a half from the GTA. It's a very central location that allows you privacy and space, a rare find. I look forward to hearing from you soon.